Look within. If only you knew that there, the queen of the heavens loves you. Look inside. There lies your treasure. All of the gold is a glimmer of that sky. Set your eyes on the rose that never withers, that walks beside.